All right, hi everyone. This is Sarah at First Aid Health and Wellness. I'm the nutritionist here in the Middletown location. We've been getting a lot of questions recently asking, what's involved in this nutritional consult and nutrition program. So, like I just said, the nutrition program really starts with that 90-minute consultation. Now, what's in that 90-minute consultation? That seems like a really long time. I'm glad you asked. So in that 90-minute consultation, we can discuss possible testing. If you have blood work from your doctor, you can certainly bring that in, but we can also discuss possible nutrition testing if we feel the need. And you also get access to our patient portal. Now, in that 90-minute consultation, we really cover the bases as far as your medical history, your family history, where you are in your wellness journey, and most importantly, where you want to be. And we can work together on how to get there in the best way possible. So this isn't where you've been. I offer really a no embarrassment zone. Nothing's off the table as far as, where you've been in your wellness history, but, I just want to go forward with where you want to be. So I believe in a collaborative approach. I want you to tell me what your goals are and how we can best work together to meet those goals. From there, we can work together on a treatment plan. I do the research behind the scenes as to what will best help your personal condition and what will best fit your lifestyle, because everyone's different. And, we've seen in the world today, everyone's lifestyle is different. Everyone's lifestyle is probably pretty hectic. So I want to, help you navigate your life and how to integrate nutrition depending on what your lifestyle is like. So, another question we've been getting is how many follow-ups, how many appointments am I going to need? That really is dependent on the person. I can't give a specific number. It really is dependent on your specific condition, your specific issues, and your specific concerns. So that's something that we can go over in that first 90-minute consult. And because nutrition affects all aspects of life, there really isn't one specific issue that I can work with. I can work on a variety of issues, and not just the specific issues that people normally think of with nutrition. So not just, lab work, cholesterol or high blood sugar, high blood pressure, but really the more lifestyle driven issues, kind of like sleep, mental health, gut issues, skin issues. Nothing's really off the table as far as what nutrition can help with. So that's really something I look forward to, talking with you about what your specific concerns are. You really don't need to be, hanging on to health by a thread to come see a nutritionist. We can really work on all aspects of life. I can also work with female issues and simply just how to integrate nutrition into your lifestyle, like I said before, and how to make it work in this hectic lifestyle that we found ourselves in, especially in the past few years. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, I really welcome you to call the office and we can get something scheduled, and I look forward to possibly working with you in the future.